Hi, I'm Galen Hair, a partner at Insurance Claim HQ, powered by Hair Trial Attorneys. Appraisal is a topic that comes up a lot after a disaster, but most people don't really know what it is. So I want to talk about appraisal in the context of Louisiana property policies. Appraisal is a really heated issue, and there's a lot of discussion around it, including whether it's binding or not. But for our purposes, let me just explain to you what it is. Often, an insurance company will trigger appraisal, or someone will try to get you to hire them to trigger appraisal for yourself. Appraisal is a process to quote unquote fix the amount of the loss. What that means is figure out basically in lay terms how much your house is damaged and what it's going to cost to fix it. The way we do this is we actually bring in new people. So you're not using your public adjuster, and the insurance company is not using the adjuster that did part of the claim. You're getting someone new. In Louisiana, we actually have licensed appraisers. It's a separate license. So if someone is approaching you about this, make sure they're a licensed appraiser. You get your appraiser and they get their appraiser. Here's the catch. You each have to pay those people out of pocket. The insurance company will not pay for your appraiser. That is a bill that is on you. Those two appraisers will then try to negotiate the amount of the loss. I think people miss this often, and this is a really important point. When you hire an appraiser, you're basically giving them authority to settle your claim. Maybe not bad faith or something like that, but you're giving them authority to settle your claim. And you need to make sure that it's an appraiser you can trust, because once they sign an award, there's a strong argument that you're not entitled to any other money. If those appraisers come to an agreement, they sign this award, and now that's how much you're owed minus your deductible. If the appraisers cannot come to an agreement, they try to pick a third person called an umpire, and then 2 of 3 wins, just like majority rules. If they can't pick an umpire, then you need to go to a lawyer, and the lawyer has to go to court to get an umpire. And this is important. You really want to get a lawyer and go to court to get an umpire, because if the carrier does it and you don't have a lawyer there for you, the carrier has a really good chance at getting an umpire that they want. And of course, they want someone probably because they're going to be more likely to go their way. Appraisal can be really frustrating and it can be really challenging, but it is provided for in the policy, and there are very limited exceptions to get out of it. So if they do trigger appraisal, or you've been convinced to trigger appraisal, the most important thing is to hire someone that's qualified, that's skilled, that knows what they're doing. And I would vet them very carefully and make sure that they don't typically work for insurance companies, because you need to make sure that they're not going to be beholden to the insurance company or the other appraiser. If you have any questions about this, or really anything for your claim, give us a call at Insurance Claim HQ. We'd love to help.